Section 2.3. What's your name? Useful sentence pattern. Please repeat after me. ¿Cómo te llamas? What's your name? Informal. ¿Cómo se llama usted? What's your name? Formal. ¿Cuál es tu nombre? What's your name? Informal. ¿Cuál es su nombre? What's your name? Formal. Me llamo. My name is. Mi nombre es. My name is. Yo soy. I am. Encantado. Encantada. Nice to meet you. Mucho gusto. Nice to meet you. Dando gusto. Nice to meet you. Let's do a conversation practice. Please repeat after me. Soy, me llamo, mi nombre es José María Sosa. I am, my name is José María Sosa. Guzmán Todres. Mucho gusto. Guzmán Todres. Nice to meet you. Igualmente. Encantado. Likewise, nice to meet you. Next, we'll cover where are you from? Or talking about nationalities in Spanish. See you in the next video.